How to get UKCA marking as per UK MDR 2002 for Class 1 devices. In this video we will explain step-by-step guide for UKCA marking as per UK MDR 2002 for Class 1 devices. Are you looking to get a special marking called UKCA for your Class 1 medical devices in the United Kingdom? If you want to sell your medical devices in Great Britain, England, Wales, and Scotland, we have good news for you. We are consultants who can help you with the UKCA marking process according to the UK Medical Device Regulations, UK MDR 2002, for Class 1 devices. We provide these consulting services not only in the UK but also worldwide. We have some exciting news to share with you. If you have medical devices and want to sell them in the United Kingdom, which includes Great Britain, England, Wales, and Scotland, we can help you with something called UKCA marking as per UK MDR 2002 for Class 1 devices. If you need any help or have requirements related to UKCA marking for Class 1 medical devices, don't hesitate to contact Mr. Puneet Sharma. You can call him at +91 819 698 0555 or message him on WhatsApp. We are here to assist you in the UKCA marking process to make sure your medical devices meet all the necessary regulations in the UK and other countries. Feel free to get in touch with us, and we'll make the registration of your devices for the UK market smooth and efficient. But what does all of that mean? Let's break it down. UKCA marking. The UKCA mark is a special symbol that goes on medical devices to show that they are safe and meet all the rules in the UK. It's like a stamp of approval. UK MDR for Class 1 devices. The UK MDR 2002 stands for the UK Medical Devices Regulations. It's a set of important rules that all medical devices must follow to be sold in the UK. Class 1 devices are the simplest kind of medical devices. Alright, guys. Let's learn about how medical devices in the UK get a special marking called the UKCA mark. This mark shows that the device meets all the legal requirements to be sold in the UK. So, how do they do it? Let's break it down step by step. Here are the top 10 simple steps to help you understand the UKCA marking as per the UK MDR 2002 for Class 1 devices process. Step 1. What is the UKCA mark? The UKCA mark is a symbol that goes on medical devices to show they meet the rules in the UK. It means the device is safe and good for its intended use, and it can be sold in England, Wales, and Scotland. Step 2. Different types of devices. Medical devices are divided into three main types based on their functions: A. General medical devices; B. Active implantable medical devices; C. In vitro diagnostic medical devices, IVDs. Step 3. Conformity assessment. To get the UKCA mark, the device must pass a test called conformity assessment. It checks if the device meets all the requirements set by the UK Medical Devices Regulations 2002, UK MDR 2002. Step 4. Class 1 devices. For the simplest devices, Class 1, the manufacturer needs to write a statement declaring that the device follows the rules. If the device is sterile or has a measuring function, it also needs approval from an approved body located in the UK. Here are some examples of Class 1 medical devices we can help with. Hospital beds. Stethoscopes, those tools doctors use to listen to your heart and lungs. Bandages, to cover wounds and cuts. Dental mouthwash, to keep your mouth clean and healthy. Ear drops, for ear problems. Tongue depressors, used during medical checkups. Eye drops, for eye issues. Latex gloves, doctors wear them to keep their hands clean. Surgical masks, you might have seen them during the pandemic. Irrigating dental syringes, used by dentists. There are also other helpful things like special belts, pillows, and supports for your body. If you need help with UKCA marking for any of these devices, just let us know. We're here to assist you. Step 5. Class IIA devices. For slightly more complex devices, Class IIA, the manufacturer must declare that the device follows the rules and then get a conformity assessment from an approved body. This assessment can be done in different ways, like testing the products or checking the production process. Here are some examples of Class 2 medical devices we can help with. Patient monitors, catheters, needles, syringes without needles, blood pressure cuffs, dental materials, surgical gloves, absorbable sutures, pregnancy test kits, contact lenses, blood transfusion kits, syringes, and etc. If you need help with UKCA marking documentations for any of these devices, just let us know. We're here to assist you. Step 6. Class IIB devices and Class 3 devices. For even more complex devices, Class IIB and Class 3, the manufacturer needs a conformity assessment from an approved body. This assessment is more thorough and checks the quality assurance system and the design of the device. Here are some examples of Class 3 medical devices we can help with. Ablation device, breast implants, surgical dressings, pacemakers, cardiac stents, defibrillators, catheters, high-frequency ventilators, contraceptives, cochlear implants, drug-eluting stents, fetal blood sampling monitors, heart valves, implanted prosthetics, and etc. If you need help with UKCA marking documentations for any of these devices, just let us know. We're here to assist you. Step 7. In vitro diagnostic medical devices, IVDs. IVDs have their own specific assessment routes. For more details on this, you can read the separate guidance for IVDs. Step 8. Using designated standards. Manufacturers can choose to follow certain international standards that are approved for the UK MDR 2002. These standards cover things like quality management and risk management for medical devices. Step 9. Clinical investigations. In some cases, manufacturers may need to do clinical investigations to prove that their device follows the rules. These investigations check if the device is safe and effective for its intended use. Step 10. Important notes. Custom-made devices, devices used in clinical investigations, and some other special cases don't need the UKCA mark, but they still have to meet the rules. Devices with the UKCA mark can be sold in England, Wales, and Scotland, but if they want to sell them in Northern Ireland or the EU, they need to have the CE mark in addition to the UKCA mark. That's it. Now you know how medical devices in the UK get the UKCA mark, making sure they are safe and meet all the legal requirements before they are sold. So, if you have medical devices and want to sell them in the UK, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're here to help you every step of the way. Consultants to help you. We are consultants who know all about UKCA marking for Class 1 devices. We can assist you with the process of getting the UKCA mark for your medical devices. Our services, we offer our services not only in the UK but also worldwide. So, no matter where you are, we can help you with UKCA marking for Class 1 medical devices. How to reach us. If you need help or have any questions about UKCA marking, you can contact Mr. Puneet Sharma. You can call him at +91 819 698 0555 or send a message on WhatsApp. Why contact us? We are here to make sure your medical devices meet all the necessary regulations in the UK and beyond. We'll guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently, making it easy for you to register your devices for the UK market. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. If you have any requirement for UKCA marking as per UK MDR 2002 for Class 1 medical devices, please feel free to contact us.